Okay, again, this one here, solving for p, you're going to separate the left side from the right side, okay? So first of all, if I do the left side here, since I'm just simplifying, in other words, I forget about the entire equation, I'm just looking at the left side. Then if I'm just simplifying, I am doing, right? So I'm going to follow PEMDAS in the correct order. So I do all the parentheses first. And these are different families, so you really can't put them together. These are different families, constant and p, so they're different families. So now I try the exponents. There's no exponents. Then I multiply and divide left to right. So then I see this 5 right here, right next to the parentheses. That means multiply. And I'm going to distribute that. So 5 times 1 is 5. And 5 times 2p is 10p. I have a plus 3 parentheses, so that means another multiply right there. When the number is next to the parentheses, that means multiply. So you end up with positive 3. And then that's also a 3p. Then I continue. Can I collect like terms? Yes, I can. These two are the same family. They're both constants, so it's just putting them together. Okay? This one and this one, they're both p terms. I have 10p and I have 3p. So therefore I have 5 and I have 3 becomes 8. I have 10 and I have 3, so I have 13p. And if I look at those two terms together, they're different terms, so I cannot put them together anymore. Now I look at the right side. I can see that these two are the same family, so I can actually put those two together. 6p and 8p, actually, you have 6 and you have 8, so therefore you have 14p. And now I'm pretty much ready to solve. So to solve, don't forget that to solve you undo, you go backwards. Okay? So in this case, I can move this p over here to the other side. I'm going to do all of my adding and subtracting first, but I want to move that 13 to the side. So the opposite of plus is minus. And that would help me because that way I can put the letters to the right side, and I already have this number on the left here. So now I end up with 1p, right? And over here it's just 8. And we know that 1p can be made invisible, so we have p equals 8, and that's our answer.